Who the hell licked the bowl queen? Carly. Carly, why the hell would you do that? Oh my god.
No, sir. I need this video camera all the time.
Okay. Choose.
Let's go, Mickey, with the energizer.
Choose your double dare.
I would pick the toes.
Truth.
Come on, you gotta hurry up.
Promise to repeat.
Stephanie, dare or double dare?
Promise to repeat.
I don't know,
Scott, stop asking people dare or double dare. Nobody's gonna pick double dare or dare. We don't want to do a dare. I'm fuming mad.
Oh my god.
What?
I was hoping she would fall off the chair.
I choose dare. I choose dare.
Okay, I dare you.
North Park yearbook, I don't even go to the school and I've read this yearbook like 8 times.
Listen. Okay, I dare you to do Mom's Tinkerbell.
Oh god.
I told you it was good.
I need music.
I need music.
No, you don't.
I know, but I just want to get... Scott, get out of the way.
Ding, ding, ding. You're not doing the right thing.
Don't remember it. Okay, restart.
You don't remember that? No, you're just...
Restart it.
Dance to music.
Did you tape it?
I'm taping.